Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we are going to learn that how companies are creating wages calculation sheet in Microsoft Excel. We will create some Excel sheets like the workbooks for each and every worker, and after at the end we will create a summary for all the workers that how much is payable for the wages. So let's start with the beginning. We will be having here Excel sheet. We need to define first the columns. What are the columns we are going to use to calculate the wages for a worker? Suppose this company is a manufacturing company and producing the garments products. So we have here stitchers, cutters, the other workers who are working on these garments. So we will be having here first serial number, then the date of the work, and here article number or the product name. Here we will be having the size of the product or the article number, quantity produced by the worker, the rate which we have already agreed with them that this article rate, if you stitch you will get this much. After rate we will be having total amount. We have created the columns now. Now we need to write here company name. Here we can add wages sheet as on 31st January 2021. Okay. Here we need to write the name of the worker, and here we need to write department and the worker ID number. The name Michael, ID number 5020, department stitching department. Okay. So we need to format it, and which looks good. We need to make it bold. Here we can add some colors, increase the size. It should be bold, and here we need to add a light color. And here we go, we need to add borders. At the end we will be having a total. Okay, from starting here 1 2 3, serial number, here date 1st January 2021, 2nd January 2021, 3rd January 2021. Okay, here article, this guy is stitching the shirts, t-shirt. Size, he is working on double XL, double XL, double XL, large, 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 XL, 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 medium, medium. Quantity he produced for double XL, we can say in that day on the 1st January he produced 10, 10, 10, 10. Large, for large he produced like 15, 15, 15. XL 12, 12, 12, 12, and medium he is going to produce like 20 in one day. So the rate which we have agreed with him is for double XL we will pay him like 10, 10, 10, and for large we are going to give him 12. XL we are giving him like any amount we can write here, 5, 5, 5, 5, medium 3, 3. So the total amount, total wages we need to calculate quantity multiplied by rate. So this is the total earning of the gross earning of a stitcher which is 1300, and the total articles he stitched, it is 173. Now we need to mention here the deduction, less deductions here, lunch or mess here, entertainment, penalties. So we can mention here he eat lunch for like 200, 0, penalty 0, so the total deductions 200. 200. Now net payable to this teacher will be 1300 minus 200. So the net payable, this value, now the next we need to create more one. This is first worker, we will be having many workers here, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5 are enough. Here we will change the name, like Michael, here we can write Eric 5021. This is also stitching department, stitcher. Here we can write here Baba 5022, stitching department. Here we can write J 5023. Here we can write here 5024. Okay, now we can change a little bit here. This guy produce large more, and the rate will goes for the large here. Amount has been changed. Deduction 100 here. Here we can change Excel, he produce Excel all, and the rate for Excel will be changed. Here 300. Here we can write this, because this teacher produced large, so large 12 rate. Here we will be having 500 deduction, and this guy produced all medium, quantity 20, okay, so this guy 100. Now we are going to create a summary of these all, so we need to know that how much total wages are payable. So we are going to create a sheet here. We need to define here first column serial number, name of the worker, name of stitcher, then here department and ID number, then net payable. We can add here wages, summary of wages as on 31st January 2021. Here we will be having company name. We need to format it, looks good. Okay, now here serial number 1, 2, we have 5 stitchers, so we need here summary. Here we will be having total, okay. Name of the stitcher, we will press equal and we will bring here from here the data. Name of Michael, his department is stitching department, his ID for Michael is this ID. Net payable to Michael is this value. Okay. Second guy, name of stitcher will be Eric, enter. Department is stitching, enter. ID number is this one, enter, and net payable for Michael, for Eric, sorry, 1260. Now the third one is Baba, department is stitching, ID number for him this one, and net payable for him this value. Fourth one is J, department, wrongly I mentioned something else, ID number this, and the net payable this value. Now for the fifth one, Rama, department stitching, ID number, net payable 680. Now the total payable wages are this much. Now if there will be any change, suppose it is 1100 for Michael. If there will be any changes here, it will automatically change here. Sorry, this is Michael. See, 1050 here now, automatically changed. So this is what I have for today's, guys. I hope you understand the concept of wages calculation. Please subscribe my channel as it keeps motivating me to create more videos for you. Thank you very much and goodbye.